There has been a long-standing debate whether diabetics could eat chocolates. Maybe there should really be chocolate-related recipes for diabetics. We have to remember that these patients may have been eating chocolates for years before they were diagnosed with the illness and thus might find it quite depriving to say no to chocolates all the time. Some, on the other hand, may simply want to get a bite or two but couldn't because of this myth. In reality, diabetics like those with any other illness can eat anything they want, but in moderation. It is a simple truth that is admittedly difficult to follow. It has been called the forbidden treat or the darkest temptations many times, but there is no use saying that diabetics need to take chocolates completely out of their lives. There have been researches made in Europe claiming that eating chocolates occasionally and in moderation actually increase insulin response. The catch is that it takes a while for the body to absorb chocolate sugar than those of bread and potatoes, so the body has time to adjust the level of reaction to sugar. The only reason for preventing diabetic patients from eating too much chocolate is its ability to cause obesity in so little time. If the diabetic should eat the chocolate as part of a meal or dessert, the body absorbs it even more slowly. So, that could do the trick for diabetic chocolate lovers. It is likewise unsafe to believe in claims of some products that they are either diabetic chocolate or diabetic friendly. You are still required to look closely and see whether they are using high levels of fructose in place of sugar, because as a diabetic yourself, you may well know that it is just as dangerous. So, given that, we've already cleared the air out, and here is a favorite snack that all diabetics can start concocting up and feast on. Chocolate mango cream cake. Ingredients: 250 grams, 8 ounces ground graham crackers, 150 grams, 5 ounces milk, 1 pack of whole graham crackers, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces unsalted butter, 150 grams, 5 ounces dark chocolate, 150 grams, 5 ounces golden syrup, 75 grams, 2.5 ounces raisins, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces chopped ripe mangoes, 30 grams, 1 ounce cashew, chopped, optional, 60 grams, 2 ounces pecans, chopped, optional, 350 grams heavy cream. Method 1. Line the sides of the 8 inches shallow pan. 2. Arrange the whole crackers at the bottom of the pan. 3. Mix the milk, cream, syrup by hand until fluffy. 4. Melt the chocolate and butter on a double broiler and set aside. The chocolate must neither be too gooey nor too light. 5. Pour in some of the cream on top of the crackers and spread evenly. 6. Drizzle some of the chocolate on top of the cream and arrange the mangoes afterwards. 7. Sprinkle some nuts for texture. 8. Then pour in some ground graham to integrate the cream, before arranging whole ones again. 9. Repeat the steps until the pan is almost filled to the lid. 10. Lastly, garnish the top with cream mixture and sprinkle with nuts and raisin. If you still have some chocolate left, you may also put some on top. 11. Refrigerate for a minimum of 10 minutes to let the graham absorb the cream mixture. The longer it stays in the ref, the better. 12. This serves 12. A reminder to our diabetic friends, please hold onto yourself from finishing up the whole pan. Share it with friends. It is pretty tempting and it's okay to give in, but your health comes first before anything. When eating chocolates, make sure you have the best of some chocolate-related recipes for diabetics.